If you're wondering how to add dynamic content blocks in Mailchimp emails, you're in the right place. Stick around, because I'll show you how to make your emails more personalized and engaging by using dynamic content. This is a game changer for your campaigns, and I'll make sure you have all the steps to get it done with ease. First off, dynamic content blocks are a powerful way to customize your emails based on your subscribers' preferences or behaviors. By adding them, you can show different content to different segments of your audience, making your email campaigns more relevant and engaging. The first thing you need to do is create a new email campaign in Mailchimp. Once you're in the campaign builder, go to the email body section where you want to add the dynamic content block. This can be in any part of your email, whether it's the header, body, or footer. Next thing, click on the content block, which is the basic building block for all your email content. From here, select the dynamic content option. This will bring up a dropdown where you can choose the specific segment or condition that will trigger the dynamic content. You can set conditions based on demographics, past interactions, or any other data you've collected from your subscribers. The third thing to keep in mind is setting up the rules for each dynamic content block. You'll have the option to create multiple variations for different groups of subscribers. For example, if a subscriber clicked on a specific product in your last email, you can set a rule to show them a related product or offer in the next email. This level of customization will make your emails much more personalized and impactful. Now, let's talk about testing. Once you've set up your dynamic content blocks, it's crucial to test them before sending the email. Mailchimp offers a preview mode where you can see how your content will appear for different segments. This is an important step to ensure everything is working as it should and that your audience gets the right content. The fourth thing you'll want to know is how to monitor the performance of your dynamic content. After sending out your campaign, you can track the success of each dynamic block in Mailchimp's analytics. This will help you understand which segments are responding well and how effective your dynamic content is in engaging your audience. Finally, adding dynamic content blocks in Mailchimp emails isn't just about making your emails look better, it's about delivering the right message to the right person at the right time. By using this feature, you can significantly improve your email marketing and boost engagement rates. Before I wrap up, remember that you can try Mailchimp completely for free through the first link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get more features and better tools to scale your email campaigns. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to add dynamic content blocks in Mailchimp emails, and with the extended free trial I mentioned earlier, you'll have plenty of time to explore these features and make your email marketing even more effective.